about indiscipline. Indiscipline is a situation in which people do not control their behavior. Many people in the society do not control their situation. Why? Because they are indisciplined. Chidera, what is indiscipline?
Indiscipline bụ onye na-eme isikwe, ọdụrọma gị na-eme isikwe.
Now, Chidera, what is the types of indiscipline?
1. Behavioral indiscipline, emotional indiscipline, academic indiscipline, and social indiscipline.
Behavioral indiscipline is when a person is acting out aggressive behavior, distracting others, or engage in destructive behavior. 2. Academic indiscipline. Academic indiscipline is a poor academic performance. 3. We have social indiscipline. Social indiscipline is when the person does not have respect. They have not been trained. Parents, today I am telling you to train your children. 4. Emotional discipline. In this area, we have emotional discipline. Emotional indiscipline. The definition is difficult managing emotions, leading. Now, the causes of indiscipline: lack of clear and expectation. 2. Role modeling. 3. Lack of accountability and consequences. The preventions of indiscipline: 1. Establish clear rules and consequences. 2. Model good behavior and provide positive. 3. Encourage open communication and active listening. 4. Address underlying issue and provide support. Parents, today I am telling you that indiscipline is very wrong. You should train your children to be disciplined and to respect others. What do you have to say today?
It's not good to be doing bad behavior, adult behavior.
And it is not good to. Parents should be able to control their children's emotion and behavior.
And what of the children? What do children have to do?
Children is meant to respect others and their parents, and also listen